Hello, everyone. Marty Graceberg here, your host for the Joint Venture Success Summit. And here with me is Jay Fiset. And really excited because we're going to be talking about dissecting the launch process itself. He's been doing multiple JV launches and launches out there. So really excited to learn more about how he does it himself and his team. So again, Jay, welcome to the stage.
Well, hello, and thank you for having me. I am so appreciative to be here.
I am delighted. I'm sure our audience are as well. So before I get too excited about this topic, I'd really love for you to share with us kind of the before and after story, just for the audience to see what can they expect about joint venture partners. I want you to share with them what was it like before and after you start incorporating this marketing strategy into your mix.
Great question. Well, you know, for context for your group, I think I'm a little different than many people, you know, coming to internet marketing, is that I have run a personal transformation company, face-to-face, heart-to-heart, belly-to-belly for about 22 years before we started doing this online process and moving and shaking there. So for me, going back to this, what's most significantly different is I think that there's a handful of things that are different. And I think the top of the list is this. I mean, if we just talk about basic results, when I started doing some JV work, you know, my opt-in list was, you know, all of 1,800 people. We had our own internal database, which was about 22,000 after, you know, 25 years plus or so, plus or minus. But our opt-in list was tiny, 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 you know, and that now sits somewhere in the neighborhood of about 50,000. So that's, you know, not a bad, you know, little run in terms of the last couple of years. But I think that the biggest thing is simply this, is that what's different is that our reach, which used to be regional. So we did, you know, these courses, we've got 40,000 graduates primarily in Western Canada. Our reach shifted from regional to international. So we do courses in Australia, US, Canada. You know, last year, I think we were in 13 or 15 different cities on a couple of different continents and those sorts of things. So Joint Ventures has really helped us to reach out and expand into countries, regions we just never would have been able to before, just not even in the realm of possibility, which is totally exciting. We get to serve more people in broader areas.